The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG welding machine is widely recognized for its contributions to the food industry, pharmaceuticals, clean pipeline systems, aerospace, nuclear energy, and more. Let's explore its impact in the food and beverage sector. In the food industry, maintaining hygiene standards is paramount. The TATE machine excels at producing sanitary, high-quality welds for pipelines used in dairy processing, beverage manufacturing, and food production facilities. These pipelines transport liquids and gases critical to production, requiring welds that are not only strong, but also contamination-free. The TATE machine's automated orbital welding technology eliminates impurities and ensures smooth and hygienic weld seams, reducing the risk of bacterial growth and ensuring compliance with strict food safety regulations. It is the perfect choice for maintaining operational efficiency in high-demand environments. As the original manufacturer, we offer tailored OEM and ODM solutions for the food industry's unique challenges. Subscribe to our channel or contact info@oktate.com to learn more about how the TATE machine enhances food production systems.